Long commutes have a way of revealing exactly how good, or how bad, your tires really are. That subtle road noise you barely noticed on the test drive becomes a constant drone after the first hour. A slightly soft sidewall that felt fine in town starts feeling floaty and nervous at highway speeds. And when the tread wears out after just 25,000 miles, you're back at the tire shop spending money you'd rather keep in your pocket. If you drive a lot of highway miles every day but still want the confidence to handle gravel roads, light off-road shortcuts, snow, rain, or the occasional job site, you need an all-terrain tire that behaves like a premium highway tire first and an off-roader second. Today I'm sharing my personal ranking of the 6 best all-terrain tires specifically for long commute drivers. These picks are based on real-world testing, thousands of owner reviews, independent tire tests, and my own experience helping drivers choose the right rubber for high-mileage vehicles. We're looking for the sweet spot: quiet on the highway, comfortable over long distances, strong wet and snow performance, even wear, and enough toughness for gravel and rough pavement without turning your daily drive into a noisy, tiring experience. Starting at number 6, the BFGoodrich All-Terrain T/A KO3. This is the tire I recommend when your commute includes rough shoulders, construction zones, potholes, and the occasional dirt access road. The KO3 brings real improvements over the legendary KO2 with a new tread pattern, optimized footprint, and full-depth 3D locking sights that stay effective as the tire wears. It carries the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake Severe Snow rating and comes with a 50,000-mile tread wear warranty plus a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. On the highway, it feels stable, tracks well in crosswinds, and brakes confidently in wet conditions. The trade-off is that it's still a true all-terrain tire. It will be a bit heavier and louder than pure highway tires, especially on concrete roads. If noise is your biggest concern, this might not be the top choice, but for durability and all-weather confidence on mixed commutes, it's excellent. Rotate every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to keep it wearing evenly. Number 5 goes to the Falken Wildpeak A/T4W. Falken has been quietly building a very strong reputation, and the A/T4W is one of the best balanced all-terrain tires for serious commuters who also see snow and occasional towing. It offers up to a 65,000-mile warranty on many sizes, full-depth sipes that maintain traction throughout the tire's life, and heat diffuser technology that helps manage internal temperatures during long, fast highway runs in summer. Many sizes also get a 3-ply sidewall for extra puncture resistance against gravel and debris. In wet and snowy conditions, it performs above its class. On the highway, it's composed and stable, though it does have a slightly firmer ride and more noticeable tread noise than milder options. If your commute includes real winters and you sometimes pull a trailer or haul gear on weekends, this tire deserves a serious look. At number 4 we have the Toyo Open Country A/T3. This is my go-to recommendation for drivers who want a quiet, comfortable daily commute without completely sacrificing all-terrain ability. Toyo focused heavily on on-road manners with this tire while keeping enough off-road DNA to handle gravel, dirt roads, and light trails. It offers up to a 65,000-mile tread life warranty on select sizes and delivers impressive wet braking and handling. The staggered shoulder lugs and multi-wave sipes give good snow traction, while stone ejectors help keep rocks from getting stuck. On long highway stretches it feels planted, steers precisely, and stays relatively quiet for an all-terrain tire. It's an excellent middle ground choice that won't punish you during your 2-hour daily round trip. Number 3 is the Michelin LTX A/T2. If ride comfort and low noise are your absolute top priorities for a long commute, the Michelin LTX A/T2 is one of the most refined all-terrain tires you can buy. Michelin designed this tire to feel closer to a highway tire than most competitors while still offering legitimate light off-road capability. It comes with a 60,000-mile warranty and uses Michelin's Max Touch construction to spread forces evenly across the tread, resulting in quieter operation, more even wear, and a plush ride over long distances. It handles grooved highways with less wandering than many all-terrains and performs very well in wet and moderate snow conditions. The downside is that it's not as aggressive off-road as the BFGoodrich or Falken. It's not the tire for deep mud or rock crawling. But for 90% of commuters who want capability with maximum comfort, this is a fantastic option. Taking the silver medal at number 2 is the Yokohama Geolandar A/TG015. Yokohama nailed the balance many commuters are looking for with the Geolandar A/TG015. This tire delivers excellent all-weather performance with a surprisingly smooth and quiet ride. It carries the 3-peak mountain snowflake rating and offers up to a 60,000-mile warranty on many sizes. The multi-pitch tread design does a great job reducing road noise, while the advanced groove layout channels water away effectively in heavy rain. Triple 3D sipes maintain strong traction as the tire wears, so you don't lose grip over time. On long highway drives it feels composed and car-like, yet it still has the shoulder lugs and toughness needed for gravel roads and light trails. It's one of the closest all-terrain tires to a premium grand touring tire in terms of refinement. And my number one pick for long commutes is the Continental TerrainContact A/T. This tire earns the top spot because it best combines the on-road comfort, quietness, and refinement that high-mileage commuters need while still delivering genuine all-terrain capability. Continental equipped it with Traction Plus technology that improves wet grip, enhances durability, and helps reduce noise. It comes with a strong 60,000-mile tread wear warranty, a 60-day trial period, roadside assistance, and road hazard coverage, showing how confident Continental is in the product. On the highway, it feels stable, steers precisely, and stays impressively quiet for an all-terrain tire. The tread pattern is optimized for long-distance comfort while still providing enough bite for gravel, dirt roads, and occasional off-pavement adventures. In wet and snowy conditions, it performs at a very high level. For drivers who spend the majority of their time on pavement but want the peace of mind that comes with all-terrain versatility, the TerrainContact A/T is currently the best overall choice. Choosing the right all-terrain tire for long commutes is about finding the right balance for your specific needs. If your route is mostly smooth highway with occasional rough patches, lean toward the Continental, Yokohama, or Michelin. If you regularly deal with snow, gravel, or towing, the Falken or BFGoodrich might serve you better. Always check that the tire size, load rating, and speed rating exactly match your vehicle's requirements. Proper tire pressure is critical. Check it cold every couple of weeks, and don't forget to rotate them on schedule. A good alignment every year can dramatically improve tread life and keep the ride smooth. The right set of tires won't just make your long commute more bearable, they can actually make it enjoyable while saving you money in the long run through better wear, improved fuel economy, and fewer early replacements. If this ranking helped you narrow down your next set of tires, hit that like button right now. Share this video with anyone you know who spends a lot of time on the road. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because we're releasing more practical tire guides, maintenance tips, and real-world car advice every week. Drop a comment below. What car do you drive on your daily commute? What tires are you currently running, and what's your biggest concern? Noise, comfort, snow, or tread life? I read every comment and love giving personalized recommendations. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, keep those tires properly inflated, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive smart.